Okay, so we're working with evaluating functions here, and they're not asking us to plug in a number into the function. They're asking us to write a new expression from two functions like that look like this. Um, let's say a third of the work is already done here because f of x is this expression. So this is one way of looking at it. We've talked about how like f is a function, the name of the function. What does it do to its input x? It cubes it, it subtracts it from that, and then it subtracts 1. So that's what f does to x. And we get this expression from that. So this trinomial, if you will, this expression with these three terms is going to get substituted right here. We're going to cut out this, and we're going to put this in its place. So that's why I say a third of the work is already done, right? The bulk of the work is trying to figure out what is f of negative x. So this is asking you to take negative x and make it the input to f. And as we've already said, f does what? It cubes its input, it subtracts it from itself, and then it subtracts 1. So f of negative x, we're going to put negative x, we're going to cube it, we're going to subtract negative x from itself like so, and then we're going to subtract 1. So we're basically just taking the negative x, putting it here and here. And then we simplify this. So negative x cubed, right? I'll write this whole thing out. Negative x times negative x times negative x. That's what that means. Now here we've got minus a negative x, which is plus x minus 1. And when you do negative x times negative x, this product is positive x squared times another negative would be negative x cubed plus x minus 1. So that's the simplified form of that function. So if I could color code this even a little bit more, this is the same thing as this. So I'm taking what's in the blue here, and I'm going to substitute it in for this entire statement. Okay, so what we get is negative x cubed plus x minus 1, and we're going to put that in parentheses. That's us putting it in here. That's this statement. Minus this statement. And when I put this statement in for the f of x, like we talked about from the beginning, I'm going to put parentheses around it. And that's really key because we're subtracting this expression. So since we're subtracting this expression, we'll have to take the opposite of all of these terms. In this set of parentheses, there's nothing in front, there's nothing up here, so I don't have to worry about the parentheses. I don't technically need them. So I have that statement. But here, I have this minus sign in front of this set of parentheses, so I'm going to distribute that to everything on the inside. Oh, wait a minute. No, that's right. Positive x plus 1. And then come through and combine like terms. We have two of these negative x cubed, so negative 2x cubed. We have a positive x and a positive x, which is a positive 2x. We have a negative 1 and a positive 1, which will cancel each other out. We're left with just that. So that's our final expression after we substitute those values in.